I'm showing you how you can download and install the Instagram Lite application, which is only launched in Mexico. There is only a beta version, and all the other countries do not have access to this particular application that is published by Instagram Lite. That is actually only a beta version which is actually launched, or the Mexican people have access to this particular application right now. All the other countries do not have access to this application, and in this video I am showing you a trick that you can download and install this particular application called Instagram Lite. So the thing you gotta do is actually firstly just go to your browser, and we have here is actually the Chrome browser. I am just going to Chrome browser, and I have this particular tab right here is actually the Google Play, the web version of the Google Play Store, and I have the Instagram Lite application is actually opened in this web version of Google Play Store. So this particular Instagram Lite is actually incompatible with all of your devices. You can actually see this notification right here. So that is actually telling you that all the people in your country do not have access to that. I'm living in India and I have no access to this Instagram Lite application. So next thing you gotta do, that is actually a simple trick you can actually use for downloading and installing this application. So just click on this upper tab right here, that is actually the URL tab right there, and in this URL the thing you gotta do is actually just delete this particular content right here. There is actually 5 or 6, I think 6 contents or 6 contents that you have to delete from this particular URL right here, and that is actually hi equal to en, and that is actually the representation of countries in URL. So I'll just delete that 6 characters from this particular URL, and after that you have to copy this particular URL. So I'll just delete that 6 characters from this particular URL and just long press on it and copy the whole content. After that you have to click on these 3 door icons in this Chrome browser and click on new. After clicking new tab, you have to go to this Google tab right here, and next thing you gotta do actually search for apkpo.com. I will just search for apkpo right here, apkpo. So that is actually a website service which is providing you some app service just like Play Store, which is only a web version actually. So I'll just go to apkpo.com. so we are getting to the interface of apkpo.com. After getting into apkpo.com, you have to do is actually just go in the last position and click on this desktop version right here. And if you're not having a desktop version like icons in the apkpo.com itself in the last part, you can actually go to this 3 dot icons and click on this desktop site, and just give it a tick mark in the desktop site tab in Chrome browser only. So I'll just click on the desktop version. I have this tab right here, and after clicking on that you can actually have the desktop interface of this particular apkpo.com, and nextly you have to go to just zoom in, and you have here the tabs, that is actually games, apps, topics, products, likely tabs are there. So I'll just click on products. I'll just click on this products, and after that you have to click on APK download. I'll just zoom in right here. So this is actually the APK download. Just click on APK download, and after clicking on APK download you will have some controls for entering the URL. So we have already copied the URL which is incomplete of that 4 characters I told you, that is actually hi equal to en, and that is actually the representation of countries. And after that you have to paste that URL that you actually copied from that particular interface. So I'll just copy right there and just click on this download icon, this green icon right here. Just click on that. After that you will have the download option for downloading this Instagram Lite. So it's pretty amazing that it is only 572.7 KB, and you can actually have all of the features, pretty much all of the features that is actually the Instagram, the huge 32 MB sized Instagram is offering. So I'll just click on the download APK, and you can actually download and install this Instagram Lite application even if you are not in Mexico, even if you are not in America. You can actually download and install this particular application using this simple trick I just showed you. So this is actually method you can actually use for downloading and installing this Instagram Lite application, or any other, not all of them, but some of the application which is not released in India, you can actually, sorry, which is not released in your country, you can actually do it using this method. So Instagram Lite application, I'll just click on that Instagram APK downloader and you can just install this Instagram Lite. I already installed using the same technique, and here is actually the Instagram Lite in between Facebook Lite and Twitter. So I'll just open and I'll just go through the interface of Instagram Lite application. So here is actually the Instagram Lite application which is loading. It is only 571 KB. That is actually very amazed as the interface of Instagram Lite.